Good morning to everyone. This is K.N. Durga Prasad, lecturer in chemistry, MVN JS and RVR College of Arts and Science, Malkipuram. In this video, I will explain about nitrohydrocarbons. Introduction. In hydrocarbons, the hydrogen atom is replaced by NO2 functional group. Such type of hydrocarbons are called as nitrohydrocarbons. The compounds of carbon and hydrogen is called as hydrocarbons. The general formula of nitrohydrocarbons is RNO2. Depending upon the nature of the R, nitrohydrocarbons are classified into two types. First one is aliphatic nitrohydrocarbons and second one is aromatic nitrohydrocarbons. If R is alkyl group, such type of nitrohydrocarbons are called as aliphatic nitrohydrocarbons or are nitroalkanes. For example, methane is a aliphatic alkane. In methane, the hydrogen atom is replaced by NO2 group. It will give CH3NO2 nitromethane. It is a best example for aliphatic nitroalkanes. And similarly, CH3CH2NO2 nitroethane, CH3CH2CH2NO2 nitropropane. So these are also aliphatic nitroalkanes. And if R may be aryl group, such type of nitrohydrocarbons are called as aromatic nitrohydrocarbons. In benzene, the hydrogen atom is replaced by NO2 group. It will give C6H5NO2 nitrobenzene. It is the best example for aromatic nitrohydrocarbons. And 1-nitronaphthalene, 2-nitronaphthalene, nitrotoluene. These are the few examples for the aromatic nitrohydrocarbons. Nomenclature of nitrohydrocarbons. According to IUPAC nomenclature, nitrohydrocarbons are named as nitroalkanes. Examples: CH3NO2, nitromethane, CH3CH2NO2, nitroethane, CH3CH2CH2NO2, 1-nitropropane, and CH3CH2CHNO2 CH2CH3. This is 3-nitropentane. So these are the few examples for aliphatic nitroalkanes. This is nitrobenzene. This is 2-nitronaphthalene or beta-nitronaphthalene. This is orthonitrotoluene or 1-methyl-3-nitrobenzene. These are the few examples for aromatic nitrohydrocarbons. And next, classification of nitroalkanes. In nitroalkanes, depending upon the nature of the carbon to which NO2 is bound, these are classified into three types. First one is primary nitroalkanes, second one is secondary nitroalkane, third one is tertiary nitroalkanes. Primary nitroalkanes means the NO2 group is attached to primary carbon. Such type of compounds are called as primary nitroalkanes. Second one, Secondary nitroalkanes means the NO2 group is attached to secondary carbon. Such type of nitrohydrocarbons are called as secondary nitroalkanes. Third one, tertiary nitroalkanes. It means the NO2 group is attached to tertiary carbon. Such type of nitrohydrocarbons are called as tertiary nitroalkanes. These are the general formulas and examples of primary, secondary, tertiary nitroalkanes. In this structure, NO2 is attached to primary carbon. Primary carbon means this carbon is attached to one alkyl group and two hydrogen atom. The carbon is called as primary carbon. So this is the general formula of primary nitroalkanes. These are the few examples for primary nitroalkanes. And this is secondary nitroalkane general formula. This carbon is attached to two alkyl groups, either alkyl or aryl groups. These are same or different, and attached to one hydrogen. And it is attached to one hydrogen. So these are the few examples for secondary nitroalkanes. In these two structures, the secondary carbon is indicated by blue color, and this is the general formula of tertiary nitroalkane. So in this structure, the carbon is attached to three alkyl groups. These are maybe same or different. So these are the two examples for the tertiary nitroalkanes. The tertiary carbon is indicated by red color. It is attached to three different or same alkyl groups. Next one, tautomerism of nitroalkanes. What is tautomerism? The compounds in which the position of the proton and pi electrons are changed, but there is no change in the skeleton of the molecule. It means 1,3 shift of proton and also shifting of pi electrons, vice versa. It will give two different structures, but there is no change in the skeleton of the molecule. Such type of isomers are called as tautomers. This phenomenon is called as tautomerism. Like active methylene compounds, for example, malonic ester and ethyl acetoacetate. Nitroalkanes also exhibits tautomerism. In nitroalkane, NO2 group is a strong electron withdrawing group. So due to this reason, alpha hydrogen containing nitroalkanes having some acidic character. Due to nitroalkanes exhibits tautomerism. This is the general representation of tautomerism of alkane. In this structure containing two alpha hydrogens. Alpha hydrogen means the hydrogens are attached to alpha carbon. It means this is the functional group. Functional group, the carbon is directly attached to functional group. Such type of carbon is called as alpha carbon. The hydrogens are present on the carbon. Alpha carbon is called as alpha hydrogens. So in which structure? So this hydrogen is attached to carbon. It is shifted to oxygen in this structure. It means 1, 2, This is the 3. It means proton is shifted from carbon to oxygen. It means first position to third position. So this is the first position and this is the third position. And as well as pi electron also shifted. So in this structure N double bond O is present. C single bond N is present. It is converted into C single bond N is converted into C double bond N. N double bond O is converted into N single bond O. We have to observe the change in the pi electrons and also change in the position of proton and pi electrons. It will give two representations, two structures. So this phenomenon is called as tautomerism. So tautomerism of nitroalkanes, it will give two structures. One is nitroform, another one is acidiform. So we know that they possesses acidic character. It means acidic character means the compound donate H plus ion is called as acid. So in this acidiform and nitroform, in these two forms, which is more acidic character? Acidiform is more acidic character when compared to nitroform. Why? In acidiform and also nitroform, these two forms releases H plus ion. Which form release H plus ion easily? Acidiform releases or donates H plus ion easily when compared to nitroform. Why? In this, hydrogen is attached to oxygen. In this structure, the hydrogen is attached to carbon. In these two structures, hydrogen is attached to oxygen over carbon. So oxygen is more electronegativity when compared to carbon. So due to this reason, acidiform exhibits more acidic nature when compared to nitroform. And this tautomerism is exhibited by the nitroalkanes containing alpha hydrogens. The nitroalkanes should be contains alpha hydrogen. We know that primary and secondary nitroalkanes contains alpha hydrogens. So primary and secondary nitroalkanes exhibits tautomerism and tertiary nitroalkanes does not contain alpha hydrogen. So tertiary nitroalkanes do not shows or do not participate in tautomerism. For examples, so these are the two examples. First one is nitroethane. Second one is 2-nitropropane. So these are the first one is primary nitroalkane. Second one is secondary nitroalkane. So these two having alpha hydrogen. So this contain two alpha hydrogens. So this one contain single alpha hydrogen. So these two structures form tautomerism. It means nitroform is converted into acidiform, acidiform is converted into nitroform. So these are the simple mechanism. The proton is shifted to oxygen. It means 1,3 shift of proton, and the double bond is shifted to shifted from N double bond O to C double bond N. This is called as nitroforms. These are called as acidiforms. Okay, this is the nitro and acidiforms. It means tautomerism of nitroalkanes. How to identify which is nitroform, which is acidiform? How to identify which is nitroform, which is SE form. So these two forms are identified. One reagent FeCl3 ferric chloride. SE form gives reddish brown color with FeCl3, and nitro forms does not give any color with FeCl3. So these two forms identified by FeCl3, easily identified by FeCl3. And frequently asked questions. Explain about tautomerism of nitroalkanes. This is the 5 marks question for AKNU examinations. And next, competitive examinations means PG entrance exams for all universities, either AU or AKNU or Pondicherry or Kakatiya University, Osmania University and HCU University. So these are asked in PG entrance exams, and also some government sector exams. For example, which of the following nitroalkane does not show tautomerism? First one nitromethane, second one nitroethane, and third one 2-nitropropane, and fourth one 2-methyl 2-nitropropane. Question means, which of the following nitroalkane does not show tautomerism? We know that alpha hydrogen containing nitroalkane shows tautomerism. So in these, which is does not contain alpha hydrogen? We know that tertiary nitroalkane does not contain alpha hydrogen. So D is the tertiary nitroalkane. And next one, tertiary nitroalkanes does not show tautomerism. Why? Tertiary nitroalkanes does not show tautomerism. Why? They have some reasons. A, no alpha hydrogens. B, no beta hydrogens. C, no gamma hydrogens. D, both A and B. A answer, no alpha hydrogen containing. And similarly, there are some questions also. Which of the following is primary nitroalkane? Which of the following is secondary nitroalkane? Which of the following is tertiary nitroalkane? Or are some questions are covered in nomenclature. Their structure is given. Why? Choose correct answer for the given structure. A, B, C. 4 answers are there. Or select the correct structures for the given name. A, B, C, D. 4 structures are given. Above these 4 structures, IUPAC name of the compound is highlighted. Thank you so much. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel.